Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Lesson 9, Part 2 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn how to conjugate verbs in the past tense. As you proceed through this Practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting if you remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. To form the simple past tense in Russian, replace the infinitive ending t and soft sign by
Л, ла, ло, ли.
to agree with the subject in gender and number according to whether the subject is masculine, feminine, neuter or plural. For an explanation of grammatical genders, see the link in the info card above. For example, the verb to be in its infinitive form is
Быть.
if the subject you are speaking about or referring to is in the masculine gender, then use
Л.
ending. If the subject you are speaking about or referring to is in the feminine gender, then use
Ла.
ending. So, in the past tense, I was, you were, and he was is
Я был, ты был, он был.
I was, you were, and she was is
Я была, ты была, она была. Где ты был?
where have you been? Я был на футболе.
Где ты был?
Where have you been?
Я был на футболе.
I was at the football match.
Где ты была?
Where have you been?
Я была на концерте.
I was at the concert. The verb to think in its infinitive form is
Думать.
so in the past tense, I thought, you thought, he thought is
Я думал, ты думал, он думал.
I thought, you thought, she thought is
Я думала, ты думала, она думала. О чем ты думал?
what did you think about?
О чем ты думал?
Я думал о тебе. О чем ты думала?
Я думала о тебе.
The verb to read in its infinitive form is
Читать.
so in the past tense, I read, you read, he read is
Я читал, ты читал, он читал.
I read, you read, she read is
Я читала, ты читала, она читала.
the verb to swim in its infinitive form is
Плавать.
so in the past tense, I swam, you swam, he swam is
Я плавал, ты плавал, он плавал.
I swam, you swam, she swam is
Я плавала, ты плавала, она плавала.
the verb to fly in its infinitive form is
Летать.
so in the past tense, I flew, you flew, he flew is
Я летал, ты летал, он летал.
I flew, you flew, she flew is
Я летала. Ты летала. Она летала. So, in the past tense, the plural of we were, you were, they were is мы были, вы были, они были. Где вы были? Where have you been? Мы были на концерте. We were at the concert.
So, in the past tense, the plural of we thought, you thought, they thought is
Мы думали, вы думали, они думали.
So, in the past tense, the plural of we flew, you flew, they flew is
Мы летали, вы летали, они летали.
So, in the past tense, the plural of we read, you read, they read is
Мы читали, вы читали, они читали.
So, in the past tense, the plural of we swam, you swam, they swam is
Мы плавали, вы плавали, они плавали.
In this lesson, you have learned how to conjugate verbs in the past tense. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.